Hi, everyone, welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Audible audiobooks in M4B format while keeping the chapter information fully preserved. And at the end of this video, I'll also share a few completely free methods to convert Audible books, so make sure to stay tuned. Let's check the result first. Here's a converted audiobook. As you can see, the file format is M4B, and it's now stored locally on my computer and ready to be played. I can now transfer it to other devices and even navigate through chapters, just like a regular audiobook.
This is Audible.
To achieve this, you'll need a tool called ViWizard Audible Converter. You can find the download link in the video description below. First, open ViWizard Audible Converter on your computer. Log into your Audible account, then head over to your library. Click the Add button in the lower right corner. In the pop-up window, select the audiobook you want to convert. Click Add to List. Next, click the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Go to the Conversion tab. Under Output Format, select M4B. If you care about audio quality, you can also adjust the audio channel, sample rate, and bit rate. Scroll down and set the output directory on your computer. Click OK to save the settings. Now, click the Split by Chapters icon. Here, we'll go with Split by Chapters as an example. Once everything is set up, click Convert. When the conversion is finished, click the folder icon next to the book title. This will open the output directory where your converted M4B file is stored. If you'd like to try other methods, including free converters or online tools, you can click the article link in the description box below. And that's it for this video. Thanks for you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.